Hey guys, this is Matt. I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to create Google Forms. It's really easy. In fact, once you log into Google Drive, if you go to Create, you got to go down to Form. You'll be given a form that looks like so. Now, you're going to have to give it a name. So I'll give mine the word sample. And then you're going to give it a template. So I'll use birthday balloons, and then I'll hit OK. Now, your form is set up like so. It has your title right up here. If you wanted to provide a brief description, you could there. And then as you can see, this is your first question. Now, you have multiple types of question formats which you can use. You could use lists, checkboxes, multiple choice. I'm going to just stick with multiple choice. What I'll do is I'll type in a question. I'll say, what is your favorite color? Then I have my option number 1 down here, so I'll say red, blue, orange, okay, and then I can even add other. When I'm done making this question, I can hit done. Alright, and this is a sample of what my question is going to look like right here. Alright, so next thing is that I have probably another question that I want to answer. Have answered here, and I'll say a paragraph of text, and I could say tell me about you. Okay, let's say that I go ahead and I type this question, and then I'm looking at it and I'm like, you know what, that absolutely makes no sense at all. What I can do is I can hover over my question, I can click on this pencil, and I can say, maybe tell me about one of your interests. Okay, that's a little bit better. If I want to delete the question, I can hit delete. If I want to duplicate it, I can duplicate it. Then I can hit done. Alright, so if I want to see a sample of what my form would look like, I can go right here to view live form, and it's going to show me what it would look like to everybody on the internet. All you have to do is just simply copy and paste the URL or web address up at the top, and you can paste that into a location like Edmodo or another central location. You can even share this. You can send this form via social media as well if you'd like. Alright, so the next thing that you can do too is you can accept responses or not accept responses. When I choose this, I'm not accepting responses. When I click on it again, I'm accepting responses. When you get responses, you need to choose how you want to get them. Now what happens is it's automatically compiled into a spreadsheet, and you get to choose how you want to do that. Do you want to do a new spreadsheet, or do you want to have a new sheet within a spreadsheet? It's totally up to you. I'm just going to say a new spreadsheet. It's probably the easiest, and I'm just going to hit create. Now let me just give you what a sample well, first of all, before I do that, you're going to see that right here, this is my actual when I click on this right here, this is my actual document or spreadsheet that is going to have all of my data, okay, which will be pretty neat. This is my actual form right here that I can go in and I can make any changes that I'd like. So you have two copies of, this is the form, see the picture, and this is the spreadsheet. Let me show you an existing form that I've had. This right here was from one of my classes not too long ago, and we did some consumer research. And so what I can do is, these are my titles, it's time stamped, and I can filter my information simply by the answer. So if I want only 1 to 2 times, I can hit done and it'll filter it. So right here. If I want to put it in alphabetical order, I can do that. If I want to go back and I want to have all of my responses right here, I can just hit select all, and there's all my data. It'll appear again. And so I can do all kinds of things with this right here, and I can even download it into a spreadsheet. So hopefully that helps, and let me know how it works for you and your situation.